This video I will explain you how to find out the number of occurrences or mainly how to find out the duplicate elements count from the array. So basically I am using Java language. I have created one class find element occurrence, and I have created one main method public static void main, and we have taken integer array 10, 20, 30, 10, 40, 50, 60, 40. So basically we have to find out the duplicate elements count, and so here we know that the 10 is 2 times, so 10 is equal to 2, and then 40 is equal to 2. So this is our these are the two duplicate elements, so we have to print these two as our output. So for that I have taken integer variable as count as a variable, and for then I have taken one for loop for integer I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length. So it will find out the length of the array. So currently it's 8, so I will execute from 0 to I less than 8 I plus plus. Then we have one inner inside the for loop, we have another count is equal to 1. So we have initialized count is equal to 1. So why it's 1, I will explain that later. So then first understand what is, we have one second for loop inside first for loop. Here in the for integer j is equal to I plus 1. So this you should understand, like here it's I is equal to 0. So in the in middle for loop I have taken j is equal to I plus 1, j less than array dot length j plus plus. So this is our for loop second middle for loop, and this is important condition here. So to find out the similar elements, we have taken array of I. So array of I and is equal to array of j. So it will basically checks, so if array of I, suppose array of 0 will be now 10. So if array of 0 is equal to 10, so it will check for array of j. What is j? I plus 1 means array of 1. So it will check from second position till the last position. So whenever what is the value of I, so from that element the j will check for the next elements. Now 10 is equal to 20, no. 10 is equal to 30, no, because when j is 1, so it will be 20, right? So then j value will increase from 1 to 2, the value will be 30. So 10 is equal to 30, no, it's not. 10 is equal to 10 here for the j value of 3. So here j value will be 3, array of 3 will be 10. So 10 is equal to 10. So then count will increase from 1 to 2, because initially it's 1, right, and now again it's there. So the count is 2. So that's why I have taken in count is equal to 1. So it will increase now to 2. The count will become 2. And in the condition I have taken if count is greater than 1, which means it's a duplicate, right? If count is only 1, which means it's present only one times in the array. So that's why I have taken the if condition count is greater than 1, and if this is true, then it will print this statement system.out.println array of I. So array of I will be this array, the zeroth position, which means array of I means array of 0, which is 10, is equal to the count will be 2. So when we can write this in the single line. When we have only we have to write the single line, then there is no need to use these curly braces under this if condition. If suppose we have too many statements under this, so then we have to write, we have to give the curly braces, because then this condition will not be executed. Suppose we have 2 3 conditions, like something like this. So then at that time we have to give these curly braces. Otherwise for the single statement it's not necessary. It's up to us, which makes it easy and readable. So this is how we will find out the duplicate elements count from the given array. So we will let's execute it. 10 is equal to 2 and 40 is equal to 2. So this is how we will get, here we can see that 42 times. So again for the so for what value of 40, so when the value of I will be, this is 0 1 2 3 4. So at the fourth value of I, So array of 4 is equal to 40, and array of j will check from 5. So array of 5 is 50, array of 6 will be 60, array of 7 will be 40. So then 40 is equal to 40, then it will increase count from 1 to 2. So every time we are reinitializing it is equal to 1, because after execution of this we have to reinitialize it. So that's why it will come from 2 to again 1 for the next execution of the array element. Right, yeah, that's about it, finding the duplicate elements count. Yeah, that's it, thank you.